everyone, today we're going to talk about Walt Disney World's Park Pass reservation system. As a travel agent, it is the one thing we are not able to do for our guests. And I've had a lot of questions about them, but it's pretty simple to do. So I thought I would make a video giving you the steps and showing you how to do it so you can go into your own My Disney Experience account and make your Park Pass reservation system. Step one, don't do it on your phone. Go sit down at the computer. It can be done on the phone, it's just a little trickier. It's a lot smoother and a lot easier to do on the phone. The reason I can't do that part for you and I can do fast passes, dining reservations, everything else for you is because of the liability waiver that you need to read and acknowledge while traveling to Walt Disney World in this crazy pandemic. So let's go to the computer and I'll show you the easy steps to make your Park Pass reservation so you can go have fun at Walt Disney World. Hi everyone, sitting at my desk. So step one is sign into your My Disney Experience account. You do not need a Walt Disney World resort reservation to make the Park Pass reservation, but you do need to have tickets purchased and linked to your account. So if you are an annual pass holder or if you are somebody staying off property, you need to make sure you have those tickets linked to your account, ready to go. Let's go. Okay, we are signed into the account, my account, and we're pulling up over here on the side where it says My Disney Experience. You will hover over that, scroll down to Disney Park Pass System. Click on that and wait for the website to open up. We're going to click right here on the right where it says Make a Theme Park Reservation. And who are you going to the parks with? Right now, for example, I'm just going to click myself. And we have resort reservations in February. So we're going to go over here and click the date we want to go to the park. Now you're going to click what park you want to go to. We want to go to Hollywood Studios. And park open to park close. There I am. Here's the liability waiver that you need to read and acknowledge. And here I have read it before. I'm just going to click I've read and I agree to the terms, confirm. Now, congratulations, your Park Pass is all set up. If you want to make more dates, if you have more than one date, you're going to click Make a Park Reservation. You're going to click the people you're going with. My daughter has an annual pass, so I'll show you an example of her. And we'll pick a random day. Say we're going to go in November. And she's going to go to the Magic Kingdom. Park open to park close. We have read and acknowledged it and confirmed. Now this is going to give you a little example of what's going to happen. You're going to have your temperature screened. Everybody over the age of 2 needs to wear a mask. We can go visit our plans and either cancel or modify the said plans. So we're going to go and view my plans because she's not going to Disney World in November. So view details. This will give you a little more information. We're going to cancel this reservation, leaving it open for somebody else. Continue. And there we have it. We have our family, our resort reservation all linked up. And we scroll down and we see our family has our Disney Park Pass set up for that date. So that's it, everyone. Pretty simple to make the Park Pass reservation. Pretty simple to cancel or modify. And make sure you have to click that acknowledgement that you've read the liability COVID waiver before you go. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I hope me walking you through it helped make it a little easier for you to make your Park Pass reservation. Anything else as your Disney travel agent, I am here for you. Can't wait to make more magic, and thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a magical day.